Welcome back, guys. Somehow I was actually doing this, and then somehow I actually lost a wheel, two of them exactly. I don't know how that happened. I've been trying to figure that out. I found one wheel there. I'm trying to find the other one. Huh? Collision my ass. This is what I'm doing. I'm trying to find the other one. I know I lost one somewhere. I already found that one, but where did the other one go? You want in the front? Oh, there it is. There that is. Okay. Yeah. I gotta go for a nunchuck now. Camera. One, two. Okay. Let's go with grinder. Press one to change view. Okay. This time I'm going to be changing view. I gotta find my other thing. Sorry about that. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. No, wait. Yeah.